Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a low volume problem on your Honor 600. So first you want to make sure that you adjust media and the call volume. So what are we going to do is we're going to open up the settings, and in these settings we're going to swipe down until we see sound and haptics, and here we're going to go to volume, click show more, and here we have the media and calls. So of course it's called music, videos, and games, but still with media, and that's how you guys can easily do it. You can boost it by just swiping up, and as you guys can see, I do not have the low volume problem right now, but if you do, then make sure to go over and disable do not disturb next. This is very important because back then there was a glitch whenever you enabled do not disturb, it also lowered your volume. Not only muted notifications, but also lowered your volume. So make sure to remove it and see if that fixes anything. If not, then you can turn it back on if you're a heavy user of it. Next, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and clean the speaker ports. So here we got the first speaker. We also got the speaker right here at the bottom, and we want to make sure that we clean it with a soft brush. Of course, if you got an issue, then you can clean. If you have an issue with your headphones, you can clean the headphone port, which is the charging port in this case, because there's no 3.5mm jack. And after that, what you guys can do is simply restart the device to refresh the system. So press the power button, volume up button, and now tap on restart and tap again to restart it. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. And now after the restart, as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to update our software. So let's go over into the settings. Now here in the settings, let's swipe all the way down to system and updates, tap on software update, and it will automatically check for updates. So my version is up to date, but if yours isn't and you have a button to download and install right here, make sure to do that. It is very important that you actually update your software because we don't want any old glitches running around on the device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.